Hi, Jim Hotaling back with Lilia Rizk. Lily, if you had the opportunity, you've been in business for a few years now in the business environment, but if you had an opportunity to reset yourself, to go back in time a little bit and kind of give advice to yourself as you were first starting off, upon reflection, what do you think that would be?
I think, and that's something that we saw in the workshop today as well. It's about perspectives and learning that there are a lot of different perspectives and a lot of different ways of seeing one same thing. And that's something that we try to do at the Policy Center as well, is provide other perspectives, is to be contributors in terms of the knowledge production about what's going on in our region, in Morocco, in the MENA region, in Africa. So I think part of leadership and part of knowing how to function even in a workplace is also knowing that there are many different ways of seeing something and being aware of that and willing to see things from another perspective.
I love it. Being self-aware enough to know there's always different perspectives. Awesome. Great advice. Thank you.